bring? I bring my lunch to school. Wash. I wash my hands before eating. Open. Please open the window. Close. Close the door, please. Buy. I buy milk from the store. Wear. She wears a red dress. Drive. He drives a blue car. Eat. We eat pizza on Fridays. Read. I read a book every night. Write. He writes a letter to his friend. Sleep. The baby sleeps in the bed. Drink. She drinks orange juice. Run. They run in the park. Look. Look at the sky. Play. The kids play with a ball. Great job! You learned 15 new words today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun English videos.